This is New London, Connecticut. Beautiful beachside. This is the inlet to the Connecticut River, I think. Very pretty. There's the lighthouse. And we're in New London, Connecticut. This is the boyhood home of Eugene O'Neill. Monte Cristo Cottage. There you go. And these are the stairs. And there's Jen. And there's Willow. Hi, Willow. And this is my dirty car. Ugh. There. This is the Pearson 323. And I'm here in the Pine Island Marina in Groton, Connecticut. It'd help if I focused my camera. I'm a trained professional. And there's a little dog down there. Her name is Willow. There's a big doggy right there. Her name is Jen. She's not a dog. It's a good-sized boat. So there's a ladder. We can just climb on up.
Isn't this the kind you don't want them?
It's called the... Yeah. Yeah. But it's a big boat, and that would be nice. It's worth looking at anyway, just to get an idea. It's called the Temerity. The Temerity. Yes, it does have a vestigial skeg, which is not going to be very protective, and a fin rudder. Nice wide beam. Alright, let's put a... Alright, here we are in the Temerity. It's got autopilot, which is not hooked up. Self-tailing winches. The wood needs a lot of work. Not that bad, just needs to be revarnished, oiled, and all of that. Radar reflector. Mast step looks pretty good. This might be keel step mast though. Deck looks really good though. The deck looks pretty good. What's that? Yeah, it doesn't look like there's a lock on it. I mean, it just needs a little care. There's a little, I mean, the deck has what's called crazing, which is where it's kind of all cracked and stuff, but it seems solid. Just needs to be sanded down and refinished, repainted. Let's go inside and see what's happening there. Let's see what the windows look like. Some kind of weird here we are at boatyard number 2, looking for a Pearson 323. There's Jen and Willow. Hi, Willow. Say hello.
She doesn't like being on the dock.
Oh, she doesn't? Okay. Nope. There it is right there. The Elizabeth V. It's a nice looking boat. It floats. It's got a mast, it's got roller furling, it's got navigation lights. It's got rigging that's already installed. Ooh, tight. Doesn't look too bad. It's got self-tailing winches. It's got a stack pack. It's got a Dodger that is not set up. That's nice. Oh, don't go too far away. Come back. Come back, you. Inside looks a little, needs a little work, but not terrible. Mast looks like it's in decent shape. Huh. This actually doesn't look too bad. This wasn't one of the ones that I was super excited about, but this is not a bad looking boat. The inside is a little messy. I can't tell what condition it's in though. But it looks like it's pretty well taken care of. Alright, here's Willow. Willow doesn't like being on TV.
No.
She's a child star. Alright.
Good. Might be worth another trip down.
Yeah, possibly.
At it.
It's really too bad that I couldn't. There's a lot of condensation inside those port lights there. But those aren't too hard to fix. All right, feel pretty good. Let's see if you rode back.